All right, there's the beginning of Walter's BC special. Gonna look beautiful. Got a lot of hand sanding to do. I have been cutting. Here's what I've discovered. I've just found out something very important. I've been cutting out knives, right? Now, I've been using Lennox, Lennox, Lennox blades for my Portaband here. And, I heard that Milwaukee makes better blades. So, my last Lennox blade, I cut 7, and before that, I probably had 4 or 5 more blades go through. So, I've cut at least 10 blades on my last Lennox blade. And I replaced it with my very first Milwaukee, and I've cut 6, and it is already wore out, and I won't be able to, I got to replace it again to cut these last 5 out. So I'm going back to Lennox blades as soon as I finish them up. All right, that is a brand new blade. Now this is thicker steel. The stuff I was cutting was 1/8 inch, and this is 3/16. It's a brand new Milwaukee blade. I got 1 knife out of it, and the very end here, it did not want to cut the end of this off. So now I got to put a new blade on. I got 2 left, so I'm just not even going to. I'll save those 2 blades for some 1/8 inch. I'm gonna have to buy some Lennox blades to do my 3/16. Boy, that's a good thing to know. And I'll tell you, this would be a good thing for Project Farm, comparing Portaband saw blades, because I am definitely seeing a huge difference between Milwaukee and Lennox. And a friend of mine who sells tools, Pat, he buys blades, custom-made blades from a place in Jackson, Mississippi, and he said he'd buy me or not buy me, I got to pay for them, but get me a couple of blades from his people there in Jackson and see if they're any better. I don't know what steel they use or what blade they use, but they cut them, and it comes to them on a reel, and they cut them and weld them together, and so they don't actually make the blade. They buy the material from somebody and cut them to length and weld them together. Okay, so that's all. I'm going to stop, and the reason I'm trying to get all these cut is because, I'll be honest, this part of knife making is the only part that I get no pleasure from. It's the only part of my knife making that I don't enjoy. I don't know why. It's, I guess, just standing here for so long, and then the cleanup. I don't mind the cleanup at all, but starting them on the bandsaw, I really don't like doing it. It's not, I guess, yeah, basically, it's just that I get no enjoyment from that, and everything else, all the rest of knife making, I get enjoyment from. So, I try to do several at once just to get me ahead of the game. But in this instance, I'm not ahead of the game, except 1 BC special. And 7, well, actually 5 now, because those 2 belong to Chuck. So I got 5 dinner skinners and 6 neck knives that I'm going to clean up and get them cleaned up. And then I'm just going to set these to the side for now. And 1 BC special. And then the rest of the day I'll be working on Walter's handle. Well, I just did a little Google search on Portaband saw blades, and I think I don't know. I've ordered some Morse, MORSE, MK11, I believe it is. Morse blades, 44 7/8 inch, and we will see. I got to do way better than Milwaukee. Lennox, they were acceptable, but Milwaukee's not. So we'll see. I'm grinding these out now. I got these all ground up and sized the same. What I do is take a pair of vice grips and clamp these all together and grind them all at the same time so they all come out identical. I'm gonna do the same to these. Well, it's about 1, and I've been out here since early this morning. I think I'm gonna call this a day. I've got this sanded up to 220. This is Walther's knife. Boy, that's gonna be a pretty handle. Yep. And I got things I want to do on my channel. I'm going through, I have like 1,700 videos, and I'm going to go through all of them and add my Amazon link to the pinned comment. So from now on, whenever you want to find my Amazon link, you can just find any one of my videos and go to the very first comment, and that will be my Amazon link. Sometimes it's in the description, almost always, but it will definitely be the pinned comment, because I'm just going to make myself do that on every single video I have. That way it'll be easy to find. All right, I got 7 dinner skinners cut out, 5 neck knives. I got 1 BC special. Tomorrow I'm going to cut out the rest of my metal here. Actually, probably not even the rest of them. I'll probably get 2 of them cut out because I got 2 more blades left, and I'm getting 1 knife per blade with these Milwaukees. Boy, Milwaukee, you really suck. And I just ordered some Morse, M-O-R-S-E, Morse blades. We'll see how they are. And I may just end up going back to Lennox, because I had no complaints with Lennox. I just wanted to try Milwaukee because I heard they were better, and they're not. All right, I am going to the house and probably take a shower, because I'm pretty sweaty. I haven't had my air on, and it's very humid out. And then the rest of the afternoon on, I'll be working on my YouTube channel. All right, see you tomorrow. Huh? What did you want to cook me an omelet? You got to cook an egg?
You stirred I want an egg in the... Have you cooked burgers out here?
What do you mean?
Just bring your food here?
I don't know. If it's only got like 3 or 4 in there, then that's the one I've been eating out of.
Well, I can't recall if I've brought you one.
Okay, explain to the world what you've made here.
Okay, I can't eat bread, so I eat gluten-free waffles, and I cooked a burger with your mushrooms and your cheese.
Okay. A waffle cheeseburger. A waffle mushroom Swiss cheeseburger.
Yeah. They're not really that sweet. They're Kroger brand, and they're really good. To me, I really can't tell the difference with that brand, but they're not sweet.
Man, I love a mushroom omelet.
Oh no, did he let it go?
No, I see it in his mouth.
I don't think you can open it to swallow. Dang, they can jump, huh?
Yeah, that gecko caught a moth.
Or a butterfly, I don't know. There's plenty of butterflies down here.
God.
One of them blue lizards just falling over.
Well, still going.
You want me to make him come over?
No, don't do
Hey,
nothing.
George. Yeah, I don't know what it is. A moth, maybe.
It's gotta taste awful.
Look how hard he's breathing.
Yeah.
This is a real chore for him.
Huh.
Oh, he almost swallowed.
Yep, there you go.
He's trying.
You can do it.
Come on, George.
This gecko has been around here for a very long time. We named him George. That's why he's not afraid of us. We've done everything but pet him.
We have like 100 Georges.
Yeah.
This is batch number 20 for the year.
And then the other day I seen a little tiny gecko. We called him Baby George.
Oh yeah, there was a little, I mean, it wasn't but maybe like an inch long over there on that hibiscus. It may still be over there. He's getting all the white flies off of it. Did he eat it?
Almost. They're still working on it.
Oh, he's breathing so hard. I guess he's got.
There, I think he.
Yep, that
Yep.
was the last of the
That
ones.
was it. Was that good? Will that fill you up for a little while?
But you know, they do a really good job
Yeah.
keeping the dirt daubers off here.
Yeah, we. Oh boy, it's gone.
See all these little spots up here where the dirt dauber starts it and he gets in there and gets the spiders out.
Well, that was interesting. How many times you get to see a gecko actually eat a bug?
He's staying there on those flowers, those little butterflies show up. I sure wished he would come over here on my hostas and keep the bugs off the snails that are on my hostas over there.
No, we're not that kind of friends.
Alrighty.
I tried to pick him up. There he is.
Okay, now you're terrorizing me.
Yeah, he's still trying to swallow it all. Okay. Nothing to see here. Sorry, dropped you. I hope you don't have a concussion.